Favorite things about this electric cutter. It is easy to hold, lightweight in my hand. I don't have any fear of it slipping because it does have a bit of a texturized grip on there. This is your release, super easy to engage the motor. The motor is self-sharpening. It's 300 RPMs. You do get an additional blade that comes with it. If you do have any issues with sharpening or want to replace it over time, just a simple flathead screwdriver for release. It does have a loading line for you so you can line straight. You do need to know that there is not a lot of vertical space for this cutter, so you do need to stick with things that are too narrow. I did size some thicker, more like half an inch, 1 inch things, and they don't work. I really do like that the guiding line also is great for just ripping open all your tapes and things that you kind of despise getting into too. And you can just use that guide or you can speed it up with the blade edge, either way, but it's super helpful to have that. And then the best thing about this is I love shopping online. I hate breaking down all the boxes, and this thing just goes to town. You release the gauge, push it in. It'll just literally cut through any box in seconds. So easy, so helpful. Also, all the fillers that come in the packaging, the rubbers, the textures, the leathers, as long as you use that same feeder, do your release and then bow. See how it goes through the thin material, but it does have a tougher job with a thick. Let me see if I can get it to go through. It does go through. That's about 1/4 of an inch, but it really kind of likes anything 1/4 of an inch or smaller just for your planning purposes. As far as charging go, there is a USB-C cord that is included. It is fully chargeable, and you can see the indicator light when you pull this on. The first time you get it, you do have to fully charge it, but then it does hold charge for about 60 minutes, and I don't want to cut boxes or anything longer than 60 minutes, so that's great for me. Overall, it's super convenient, super easy to use, super lightweight. I feel like I have full control over it, and it's getting the job done. Hope that helps.